Welcome back to the channel. I have another one. This is a 2013 Suzuki 650 SFV. That's what it is. So got it for really cheap, almost free. But it's a little work. The guy that had it was running from the cops, laid it down on the left side and did a lot of damage to it. So gotta do some work on this one. I tried to start it. Seems like it has good compression. I haven't really did a compression check on it. I just trust him. I don't know what I'm gonna start with. It's so beat up. I guess this is the side he slid on. It's pretty apparent. No frame damage, nothing wrong with the forks. It's gonna need handlebars. Cluster's missing, looks like it got cracked off right there. Got a hot wire to get it to start. Other than that, it's a good little project. It's gonna take me a little longer than the others, I'm pretty sure. Just looking over here, nothing really wrong with the radiator, it doesn't look like. Forks are nice and straight. Everything pretty much checks out for me. Kind of rusty. It looks like it's been sitting out, but whatever. Got a little casing damage here. Not too bad. This is a Dominator. Don't know much about that. I'm about to look it up. Still registered. Pink slip. I got all LED lights under it and stuff. Gotta yank all of that off. I don't know if that's probably blowing fuses or whatever. I already tried to replace a couple. We'll work on this little by little on the channel and educate ourselves on the Suzuki SFV models. I think this is my first Suzuki street bike, so stay tuned for the restoration / build. Thanks for watching.